चलते थल कर थल ते कुआ ऊपते मेर करावे।
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। Punjab, as we know, is in the grip of its worst flood since 1988. 37 lives have been lost so far. More than 350,000 people have been affected. All 23 districts of the state stand declared flood hit. 1,650 villages are battling the waters as of now. Rivers Satluj, Beas and Ravi, along with seasonal rivulets swollen by rains in the hills above, have spilled into homes and fields. The Army, the Air Force, and the National Disaster Response Force, the NDRF, are working side by side. Helicopters hover above rooftops. Boats cut through the angry currents, rescuing families, cattle, and whatever can still be saved. Tens of thousands are in makeshift shelters. Amid this deluge, Punjab has found its soul rising.
ਤੇ ਤਰਨ ਤਾਰਨ ਤੋਂ 50 ਟਰਾਲੀਆਂ ਆਈਆਂ ਯਾਰ, ਬਹੁਤ ਤਗੜੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗਾ ਜੀ ਚਾਰਾ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ।
One pin carries the burden of another. In one courtyard, villagers cook for strangers. In another, they open their barns to shelter cattle that do not belong to them. Even the elderly ferry water, tea to those in distress. Wisdom and warmth are binding the displaced with dignity. NGOs weave invisible bridges between Punjab and Punjabis across the world. Contributions flow like unseen rivers, channeled through these organizations into dry rations, medicines, livestock fodder, and bedding. Each parcel a token of solidarity. Celebrities who carry Punjab in their voice and art have joined this chain.
पंजाब जख्मी है पर हारा नहीं है। हम पंजाब की गोद से उठे हैं, पंजाब ने हमें गोद लिया है और हमने पंजाब की गोद में ही मरना है। जितने भी पीड़ित परिवार हैं, हम सब उनसे कहना चाहते हैं कि हम उनके साथ हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि राशन पानी दे के ये बात खत्म हो जाएगी। जब तक उनकी जिंदगियां दोबारा शुरू नहीं हो जाती, हम सब उनके साथ हैं।
Oxen and buffaloes in swirling waters, their keepers refusing to abandon them. Farmers know that without their animals, there is no rhythm to their fields, no heartbeat to their homes. And so rescue is not just of people, it is of herds, of seeds, of entire ways of life. This is kinship. This is Punjab, reminding itself that no storm can scatter its spirit of seva.
हस्तो जाए सोरोबत आवे, रोबत जाए सो हंसे। बस तो होए होए सो ऊजर, ऊजर होए सो बसे।
खुद चाहे पंजाब कितनी भी मुसीबत में हो, लेकिन अपना कर्म और इंसानियत कभी नहीं भूलता। गांव डूब गए, फसलें डूब गई, लोग परेशान हैं, लेकिन ऐसे टाइम पर भी पंजाब में लंगर लगाए जा रहे हैं।
As the waters still spread, questions rise even higher. Some experts call it the mark of climate change. Others speak of failed planning, of embankments not strengthened, of reservoirs not managed. Still others whisper about governance lost in preparation and vision. Whatever the cause, the loss is real, the pain immeasurable. Years ago, when monsoons would drown Mumbai, we heard about the Mumbai spirit. Today, as waters engulf Punjab, the world speaks of Punjabi spirit. But must spirit alone carry the weight of survival? Can Punjab be left to endure flood after flood, year after year? The time has come for decision makers to rise above ideology, above rivalry, and give Punjab the vision it deserves so that courage is no longer a substitute for safety. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ